Hello there. So today we're going to talk about server automation basics. In this easy server script, we have the installation of the server automation script. So let's see it running. I have a couple videos doing the installation of this easy server in Linode, AWS, OVH, and a couple others in DigitalOcean. And if you want any provider special, just let me know, and we can make a video or specify the installation for this server. So this script, it's very simple. We just need to set up where the folders it's going to be. We're going to just go with this one. Let's install the server automation, and that's it. Just remembering to create the env file. Right here there's a message, so let's go there. Let's go to the server. And here's the server automation. In this server automation, we have a couple handy scripts. Let's copy this env file to a new env. And what we need to configure here for now. First thing, allow run with sudo. Normally this is set to true. And the base path server, which is one is correct. So we use the base server. We use sites, clones, backups, logs, and where the proxy option we use in the nginx-proxy, and the proxy is at the /proxy, the compose folder, the data. So this one was really done, was written to let you start as it is. Okay, there's a couple more options here. We can walk you through all of them later on. So what we can do for now, let's start a fresh WordPress. During start a fresh WordPress, there's a few tweaks here that uses this local env file. We will probably automate that, but for now we need to configure this env file here. Let's copy to env and let's edit. Let me walk you through really quick. You don't need to change anything, only if you want to update the version of the WordPress, this repo here. Let me open Docker WordPress. So we are using the tag version 0.06. Yeah, the branch 0.6. So let's keep with that. You can change the image for the WordPress site image 5.6 and MySQL 5.7. So let's update that. I'm gonna update this in the Docker Hub and the Docker WordPress repo as well, but we're probably in the 5.9. So 5.90, that's a 5.9 here, and 5.90. Let's keep 5.9 here, 5.9. And MySQL, let's get the MySQL latest image as well, which is the 8.0. Let's keep here 8.0. So let's see how it works. You're not gonna need to update this, but I'm gonna update in the repo, and you need to set your email here, johndoe.com. You can run new site -h or --help, and it's gonna show you a lot of options you can use for this script. And let's see it in action. So let's start that. First thing, enter the URL. We're gonna use linode1.com.br, booty.com.br. It's gonna fire up the new site. It's pulling out the repositories that we have updated. Normally it doesn't take long, but let's wait a little bit. Okay, so here comes some information about the site, the full path where the site is hosted, which is here, the container name, the DB container name, and everything else. So let's check this containers. It's WordPress 5.9 and MySQL 8.0. So let's see if it's running. Let's give it a refresh here. And it's running our WordPress. Okay, so thank you.